Did you know a Harvard genius terrorized America for 17 years and almost got away with it? In 1978, a package exploded at Northwestern University, injuring a security guard. It was the first strike by Ted Kaczynski, the Unabomber. For nearly 2 decades, he crafted deadly mail bombs targeting anyone advancing technology. Airlines, universities, computer executives. No one was safe. His devices were works of deadly art, handmade with no fingerprints or traceable parts. He even built bombs that triggered at high altitude, designed to destroy airplanes mid-flight. The FBI launched their biggest investigation ever, spending millions hunting this ghost. Then, in 1995, he made one mistake. He demanded newspapers publish his 35,000-word manifesto. His own brother David recognized the writing style and faced an impossible choice: turn in his brother or let the killing continue. David chose justice. The FBI raided Ted's remote Montana cabin in 1996. Inside, they found bomb materials and detailed journals documenting every attack. The genius who outsmarted America finally met his match, his own family.